Hey everyone, this is Michael with Archway. I'm here at M&R Genetics with owner Nathan Fortner. Nathan, can you tell us a little bit about your operation?
Yeah, we have 100 sows and raise show pigs for 4-H and FFA exhibitors. Have various breeds and crossbreds.
So how did you get started with your show pig operation?
I grew up on a diversified row crop and livestock farm, and we always had sows when I was a little kid. And then when we got out of the business in the late 90s, and then when my kids got old enough to care about animals, we decided, hey, we ought to get some sows. And then it just snowballed into what we have now.
Awesome. How many head of hogs do you normally farrow out in a year?
With primarily raising show pigs with show pig genetics, if we get everybody settled and get 200 litters, we normally carry about a 7 pig average.
So when you were looking to expand your operation, how did you end up finding Archway, and what problems were you looking to solve?
I had already purchased a farm out that had an Archway nursery, and I was impressed with the quality of that building. And so when we needed additional farrowing space, it only made sense to me to contact Archway and see what solutions that you offer.
What's been the benefits you've received by working with Archway?
Well, I'm extremely happy with the building, and the quality and the craftsmanship of the building are second to none. Just everything seems to be, very meticulously done and well built.
What are the benefits you've seen from raising pigs in an Archway building?
Ease of use is incredible. It cleans up quickly between turns of sows. It's just very high quality in my opinion.
What were some of the difference makers that you've seen with the pigs since starting to use an Archway building?
Well, the biggest thing I notice is this new style Archway crate has really reduced the amount of pigs that we've crushed from the sows getting up and down. That's made a big difference for us.
How has Archway helped you reach your goals, both financially or just overall with your show pig operation?
Well, the biggest challenge on any farm is labor, and Archway has really benefited us, like I mentioned before, to clean the building. It cleans up very easily, and the maintenance is not there. It's been fairly maintenance free, so that frees up a lot of time just to take care of animals and not be working on equipment.
Can you give an example of how Archway has gone the extra mile to help you out?
The whole process of building and buying the building was just pretty cool in my opinion, because the whole team was very attentive. I was probably in contact with 4 different individuals, from the purchasing through the construction to the delivery, and everybody was very professional and very attentive to my needs and what I wanted to accomplish.
Since you've received your building from Archway, how's your relationship been with us?
I think it's been good, and in fact, with this new Archway crate, they did a couple updates later, as the crates were being used, and Archway was super upfront and said, hey, we've made a change. We're going to send you all the pieces, and we want your crates to be the same as the ones we're manufacturing now. So support after the sale has been great in my opinion.
What are the goals of your operation, and how has Archway aligned with that?
We're trying to produce as high quality of show pigs as we can for kids to exhibit across the country. And Archway has really allowed us to just focus on the pigs and the genetics and not worry about the building and maintenance.
What are your favorite features of your Archway buildings?
I think the ventilation system is really key and high quality, and it seems to work really well. And of course, we've got 2 huge swamp coolers that we need here in Southwest Missouri in the summer when it's over 100 degrees.
How would you summarize your experience with Archway?
I believe the whole team at Archway is very professional, and they crank out one of the very highest products on the market.
If somebody asked you about your Archway buildings, what would you tell them?
I highly recommend them to anybody I talk to and ask about them. I absolutely love them.
Thanks for visiting with us, Nathan. For more information, visit us online at archway-scientific.com.